Come to India Yojana, PM Laghu Vyapari Mandan Yojana 2021 online registration form and status. National Pension Scheme for Traders and Self-Employed Persons. Apply. Central Government is inviting PM Laghu Vyapari Mandan Yojana online registration form at mandhan.in. So this Pradhan Mantri Karam Yogi Mandan PMKYM scheme subscriber enrollment process is ongoing at its official website. So all the retail traders and small shopkeepers can fill this application form and make registration to avail pension of Rs 3,000 per month. Moreover, people can now check the eligibility details, features and benefits, and can also track the application status. Now moving on to the complete details of this scheme. So the enrollment form asks for date of birth, Aadhaar number, mobile number, email ID and other details from retail traders and self-employed persons. The beneficiary self-employed shop owners, retail owners and other Vyaparis, Karam Yogi, in the age group of 18 to 40 years eligibility will have to pay premium. The premium range amount is Rs 55 to 200 rupees depending upon the age of the person, which comes with an option for auto deduction from the bank account. National Pension Scheme for Traders and Self-Employed Persons Yojana is a government scheme meant for old age protection and social security of shopkeepers, retail traders and self-employed persons. So this security scheme to provide Rs 3,000 per month to traders and shop owners. So this pension amount under the scheme would be providing on attaining the age of 60 years. Around 3 crore retail traders and shopkeepers would be benefited from this scheme in India. India has rich tradition of trade and commerce, so government is primarily focusing on traders' betterment, which is essential for India's economic growth. So this PM Karam Yogi Mandan scheme will ensure social security of small shop owners whose annual turnover is below 1.5 crore. The primary objective of this scheme is to ensure robust architecture of universal social security. Now moving on to the online registration form. So this has started. Now people can apply online for this scheme from any CSC, Common Service Center, or can perform self-enrollment online. So here is the complete process. So first visit the official website. At the homepage, click at the Apply Now button. So here is the Apply Now button. Here people can choose process of registration, either self-enrollment using mobile number and OTP, or CSC VLE using CSC to apply online. First self-enrollment process, the applicant needs to make login on entering the mobile number. So here you can check all the scheme details, eligibility and features. So here you need to click on the self-employment, enter the mobile number and the OTP. Afterwards, a dashboard will be opening containing the name of the schemes. So you need to select the particular scheme. Next, select enrollment option and select the scheme name to open the subscriber enrollment form for National Pension Scheme for Traders and Self-Employment Pension Yojana. Enter complete details accurately to avail pension benefits under the scheme. So this scheme can be verified online, and e-registration process will curb corruption and result in fast implementation of the scheme. So the complete nomination process for this scheme for traders takes just 3 to 5 minutes. So you can do it yourself. So moving on to the application at offline at CSCs. So all the interested people can even enroll themselves for this scheme. More than 3,25,000 common service centers are there. So you can check them out. So people can take their Aadhaar card along with their savings Jan Dhan bank account passbook to the CSC. At CSC, your monthly contribution amount would be decided depending on your age. Pay your first monthly contribution for the scheme at CSC itself. Put your signature on nomination and auto debit mandate. So then your trader's pension card will get generated. The next contributions would be deducted from the bank accounts itself. So central government is going to make matching contribution if the subscriber's amount. So for example, if the person age is 29 years, contributes Rs 100 per month, then central government would contribute equal amount, that is 100 rupees as subsidy into the subscriber's pension account every month. Moving on to the benefits of this scheme, that the features of this scheme. So under this scheme you will be getting 3,000 per month after attaining an age of 60. An annual turnover should be 1.5 crore, less than that, and this scheme is applicable only for 18 to 40 years of age. So document required for this scheme is based on self-declaration, as no documents are required except the Aadhaar and bank account. Now moving on to the eligibility. So I will be leaving all the direct links and required process in the description box. You may check them out. So I will tell you the chat also. For example, if the particular person age is 18, so after attaining 60, members monthly contribution is 55, then government monthly contribution will be 55 and total will be 110. So according to the age, the premium amount increases. So you can check out with the toll-free number if you have any queries, or send us the email. So all the official links will be provided in the description box. You may check them out. So here you can check out the scheme details, all about the scheme description. Here are the complete features, benefits, monthly contribution. So here you can check out the monthly contribution chat and how to apply the complete process step by step. So here are the FAQs and the toll-free number is here. So thanks for watching. Subscribe to India Yojana for more state and central government schemes.